Hello everybody, this is video 100 in this video channel, and I'm very excited to announce a textbook that introduces machine learning with R. The book is titled Practical Machine Learning with R, Tutorials and Case Studies. It is available from Taylor & Francis and also on Amazon. The easiest way to order the book is to go to the book's companion website at ai.lange-analytics.com. On that website, you will also find many resources for students and instructors and all the digital resources that are recommended in the book. You will also find slides, and you will find all the tutorials and case studies that are covered in the book. The book is tailored for machine learning beginners. Basic algebra skills are sufficient to understand the concepts of the book. No matrix algebra or calculus is required. Each chapter starts with a section that introduces the idea of the concept, followed by a middle section that provides more details, and at the end of each chapter, readers find a section with case studies and exercises. These case studies are interactive and can be executed in RStudio. They provide hints and solutions for each of the problems. Each chapter also provides a digital resource section with videos, short articles, tutorials, and R scripts. These digital resources can be used by students for review or by instructors to support the design of an online class. At the end of the list, instructors and students find a link for more digital resources. This list of digital resources can also be accessed through the companion website. The book covers various machine learning models, including k-nearest neighbors, a review of linear regression, polynomial regression, regularization techniques such as ridge, lasso, and elastic net, logistic regression, and deep learning with neural networks, and also tree-based models. Tree-based models that are covered are decision trees, random forest, and XGBoost. The last chapter covers techniques to interpret machine learning results, such as SHAP values, LIME, and variable importance plots. No previous R knowledge is required because the book has its own introduction to R and shows everything that is needed for the book. This chapter, like every other chapter, has case studies and exercises, and I like to show you an example. The exercises and the case studies are individual sections of the book, and from there, through a link, you can reach the interactive exercises and case studies. Another way to work with the exercises and case studies is through the companion website, and we do that here. In this case, we go to Students, and we click on Interactive R Content, and you can see here for Chapter 3, we have a case study here and exercises here, and the example I like to show you is from the exercises. So we click, and this downloads an RMD file for RStudio. We click the RMD file and it opens in RStudio. And in RStudio, you click Run Document. It takes a little while because now the document is turned into the interactive exercises. Here they are. I recommend to show them in a browser, to click here. And here you see it's in the browser and students can do their exercise. Let's go down to question number 14 to show you an example. Here students are supposed to calculate the number of survivors of the Titanic disaster, and the code is already provided. The Titanic data are preloaded in the background, and they are supposed to calculate the average age of passengers, and here students have to fill in the blanks. Let's do this and fill in here the mean command. And then we purposely make a mistake and fill in here a whole data frame instead of the data vector. If I execute this in R, I get an error message. The first one is executed correctly, but the second one is not executed correctly. So now students have the chance to get a hint. And as you can see here, the hint already points to the data vector. If students still get stuck, they can go to the next hint, which is the solution, copy the solution to the clipboard, paste it into the code, run the code, and here is the correct result. I hope you enjoyed the video and possibly you have interest in buying the book. You will find a link to the companion website where you can order the book in the credits.